Welcome, guys. Good morning. Yeah, okay. Today we're gonna be talking about the Metamask airdrop or the mask token that is about to be launched. I don't know how many of you that knew about or that have the information that the Metamask wallet, want to launch their own token called Mask. So, and though there is no concrete information about them airdropping though, but it's been expected that they're gonna be airdropping the token. You understand? Because this has been the same path that most big crypto companies in this space most big companies in this space has been using to get their token to the community. You understand? So we are expecting that MetaMask is gonna be doing some airdrop to their early users. You understand? So I'll be taking you guys on step by step on things to do to be able to get this MetaMask airdrop. Understand? So at first, all you just have to do, I think this thing should be costing you up to $100. Sure. Reason is because of the gas fee. I know this Ethereum. Ethereum has a high gas fee though. So the first you have to do is to deposit your this thing. All I have here is just $0.7. I would have used it to show you guys an example. Just deposit your $100 here. Then you get to this place. As you can see, you go to this place. This is your wallet. Click on here. You have your buy, your swap, your send and receive. Try as much as possible in order to click on this buy. If you click on this buy, it will take you to where you can buy. Depending on the country you are, if you are anywhere you are, they will display the best method for you to buy. Understand? Then the next thing is you try to purchase a crypto. I think the minimum buy there is about $10. So about $10. That is the minimum buy you can get. Okay. Let's say if you're in Nigeria, if I want to buy the one of 17,000. Okay, see the minimum deposit here is 17,000. 17,000 worth of Ethereum is the minimum you can buy. Understand? You just purchase it. Okay. Then the next thing you have to do is just you come down to this swap. You swap a token. Understand? You swap a token. If you swap from Ethereum to any token, you can use it. You can swap it to USDT. You can swap it to Wrapped or USDC. The one of your choice. You can still swap back when you are done. Actually, the only thing there is that the gas fee. That is the only thing that is the issue here. Understand? That is why I'm advising you to use $100. And remember, try to use Ethereum network because MetaMask is all about Ethereum. Try to use Ethereum network. Understand? Then the next thing is you come down here. You send crypto. You can send crypto to your wallet. You can see just send it to your wallet and later I can still send it back. You understand? The aim is just for you to interact with the whole system. You understand? So that your wallet will be registered. Now the next thing is you now go to this receive crypto too. You can send crypto to this using from under wallet. Understand? So once you are done with all these things, understand, there's high chances that if eventually they ended up doing the airdrop, you will be qualified and you get the airdrop. No, this airdrop, just remember I said you should be spending roughly up to $100 on gas fee trying to do this airdrop. But the most important thing and the happiness is that this airdrop definitely worth it. It's worth it, and I we're expecting something like up to a minimum of under 1K or so from the airdrop. So if you can spend $100 to make 1K, I believe it's not a bad investment. You understand? Thanks so much for watching, and please, I plead that you do well to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification button. You can hit me up if you need more information on this. Understand? Another other if you having confusion on any aspect of your anything on crypto, just hit me up and ask. I will definitely be there to answer you. I also have my private tutorial class and signal room too for those who are interested. Understand? Just hit me up. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy yourself.